Alright, Marinol here with another video, once again. Well, quite a few people watched my test of the LG sound system with the speakers made by Mark Levinson, so I've got them back here again. But instead of their normal LG amplifier, I have this. This is an Integra. If you don't know, Integra is the high end of Onkyo. Basically what makes it the next level from Onkyo is that the parts inside have been upgraded, like for instance the capacitors. Instead of having just cheap Chinese caps, this has got Nichicon KG series capacitors. The wiring's been upgraded, larger transformer, just an overall better design. So I thought this is going to give these speakers the best chance of sounding good, so I'm going to play you something with this amp. Here we go. Here we go, this is Itty Bitty by Kevin MacLeod. Those tweeters are very smooth. Very clean. Let's try something else. This is the Lazy Game Reviews old thing, so believe it or not. There's no bass enhancer or anything, you're hearing straight from the phone. So they have a very laid-back sound. It's not very up in your face. That's mainly due to its side-firing drivers. I do wish maybe they'd put it in the front, but I might build a set of speakers out of these. I don't know yet. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you'd enjoy this. There'll be more videos on these to come, starring this amplifier, because I'm sure you all like to see high-end equipment. And I've had a few people actually commenting on my other channel going, I heard the reason why it doesn't sound good is because you don't use a high-end amplifier. I'm like, well, here's a multi-$1,000 Integra. If that's not high-end enough for you, I don't know what is. Thanks for watching.